Alright, a couple highlights from GreatStockPicks.com. Live trading chat room today. Dr. Pepper Snapple. That is one of the calls I made today. I'll show you why. 5-minute candles had this nice tight base here. Friday's high, just to the left. And Friday had a really strong day, so I thought the base break might get us through Friday's high. I'll give you the exact numbers. We called DPS at 40.46 with a 40.37 stop. So basically over this base with a stop below this base. And there it triggered and got through yesterday's high. Little pullback there and ended up making it all the way to 41.15 from a 40.46 call. And less than a dime risk, so one of the nicer ones there. ACI had a couple bad calls in. I called it long right here with a stop right here. Triggered and failed. I think the same thing here. Both of them I think were less than a dime, and then finally called it here and did catch the bottom. And it did have 24.95 with a 24.89, so 6-cent stop, 7-cent stop, something like that. And from 24.95 finally got the move we were looking for to 25.48. So that made it worth a couple stop outs that were around a dime. Real nice one late in the day. If you've seen any of our videos, you know that whenever we see a waterfall type setup like this massive push down on massive volume. It was breaking below support on the daily, but as I said to the members in the chat room, I think people are shorting this without regard to how far it had already fallen before it broke that support. So these are late shorts in my opinion. It ended up closing weak, but that didn't matter. Using a method we teach, I called AN long on this green candle right around 31.30. Hard to figure out where it would be. Somewhere right around there on the way back up. And from 31.30, I think the stop was, let me get this right here. Let's see. 31.29 was the entry, 31.07 stop. So 22 cents risk. And from 31.29, which is right about where the arrow is here, all the way almost to 32. And we had members celebrating. Somebody got 75 cents, somebody got 33 on half, and took some more on some more. So anyway, very nice move there. Whenever you see a setup like this, or at least in our chat room, whenever we see this, we use a method we teach to go long. And again, it gave a pretty good risk reward and a big move there in a very short period of time. These are 5-minute candles, so over the course of about 20 minutes, very nice move in our favor. And that's about it for the highlights. We do a lot of low volume summer trading, a lot of sitting there just waiting for something that has volume like an AN to make a trade on. Did have a couple other calls with tight stops. Some of them gave a nice little, a quick profit, and others ended up being flat or small losses. So none of them are worth going into because, as you know, we always have a tight stop, and most of them were just boring. And I'm trying to be patient and wait for the low-risk ideas. So anyway, I'm not going to babble too long here. We'll follow up tomorrow night with some highlights from our live trading chat room that we pull on Tuesday. Have a good night.